Right, it's another product spotlight time, and this time we've got the Beeline Moto. Hang around for the end because I'm going to actually stick it on the bike and take it for a ride and see how it goes, see if it actually gets me there. So obviously the box, quick unboxing. Yeah, here we are. Come on out. Well, there we go. Now a lot of people that I know have got these have said that they're really nifty, so I'm looking forward to trying this bad boy. And first off, a nice sticker. I do like my stickers. There it is, look. I went for the gunmetal grey one. Let's pull her out. Quick twist off. Oh, there it is. Pull straight out. Job's a good one. I've already opened it, obviously, because all the plastic's off. Proper quality. Now these are meant to be, here we are, weather sealed, so they're going to be waterproof. And then we've got a box of goodies. Crank this out. Yeah, pull it all off. So, one mount, slots into there, look. Nice. And then screws back out. But this is the one that I'm really interested in. This is a bit of a universal mount. And you've got rubbers that obviously can stretch round. That's obviously for a tighter fit. And then there are longer ones, which I'm going to use on 2-inch roller bars on my Breakout. That will work nicely. Then of course it's got a charger. Plug in a USB. Sorted. Charge away, baby. So these are the type of mounts you can get. That's the one I'm interested in, the universal elastic strap for my 2-inch bars. Sticky pad modular mount. Cool, cool, cool. You can get a bar clamp. Not bad, not bad. 1-inch ball adapter if you like using the RAM mount type systems. Oh, you can even get, look at that, scooter mirror stalk clamp. Wicked. Pretty simple instructions on the back. It's quite self-explanatory, really. It's pretty good. So I've also gone for a bar clamp mount because I want to put this on my shredder, which is the Sportster with the large apes, because I think that'll look really cool on the Sportster. And I want to use that for the Breakout on the 2-inch bars. Let's just appreciate the sticker a bit more. Oh, that's brilliant. Right, sticker on. On. There we go. Got my app. Keep searching. Boom. Connecting device. Excellent. Easy. Pair. Yes, please. Hello there. What do you mean low battery? Ah. Update later. I'm going to have to put it on charge. Plugged it in. Press update. That's so painless. Brilliant. Right, the bros, I want to plan a ride. And I want to go to Castle Barge Wharf, Newark. That's where I want to go tonight on my bike. Let's have a look. It's loading, it's loading. Where to? Right, so here we go. 50 minutes, 52.4 kilometres. Oh, can I change that to miles? Fun. Ooh. So that's the fun route. That's brilliant. Fast, main roads, fun, have a life. Quick look at the options. Route type, motorcycle, route preferences, avoid ferries, highways, tolls. Oh, great. Save route. Map type. Terrain. Oh, hello. Satellite. Let's do that. Oh, brilliant. Yeah. That eats your loading. So we'll go. Let's go back to just a normal map, I think. It's just easiest. The map's easy, look. Cool. Quick instructions. Follow this arrow. Navigating simple. The arrow shows the direction to ride in. Distance to the next turn. Very clever. So okay, that's at the bottom there. Yep. The dot shows the direction of the next turn. Oh, okay. So that dot there is telling me it's going to be right at some point. Okay, brilliant. Roundabout and lane indicator. Roundabout exists. Lanes and forks. Okay. No roundabout on that one at the minute. Journey progress. Progress bar show how through your journey you are. Okay, I'm not at the start. There we go. Garage of Doom. Cocaine Train. El Diablo. And the Shredder. So my plan is, I'm going to fit it here. For those 2-inch bars. And then the old Shredder. I think I'm going to put it here. With the clamp. Probably there actually. Let's have a look. clips in like that. Where's the top? That there will be the top. So we need 2. Gonna get there. You're gonna get there. God damn it. There we go. Boom. Dosh. That's pretty nifty. I quite like that. Right. So on here, we're going to use the bar clamp, which comes with rubbers for different bar diameters. But I think there's a rubber already in there. I think that's going to be enough for these bars anyway. Try not to lose a screw. Yeah, starting to be a good fit, huh? Get the bottom one in. So that is proper secure, and it's got a rubber built in so it doesn't scratch my bars. Good, good, good. Hey. Oh, it's pretty groovy, pretty groovy. I'm liking that. I am liking that. Oh yeah, that was wicked.
Right then, buddies. Beeline is on. Beeline boosh. Plan ride. Where to? Tap destination. Castle barge. Loading. Go. Boom. Right. Let's see what happens. It says go straight ahead. Okay. So that little dot there, I believe, means I've got a left turn coming up soon. Junction, bro. What are you telling me? Oh, it's telling me to go left. Oh, brilliant. So I'm coming up to a roundabout. That's what circle with a 2 in it, and the 2 means 2 exits, I think. Which, this has just been updated, so I don't think it's on the map actually. I don't know if you can see that, but we've got a lane split on there, look. That's pretty cool. 8.9 kilometres. It's got a little system, look. It's counting down the meters to pull off. Fantastic. It's holding up. And I've got a right turn coming up soon in 4.5 kilometres. Nice. Nice. Get ready. Woo! 2.1 kilometres turning right. And that little dial at the top with all them dashes, we'll watch him. Those dashes means I'm nearly at my destination. Those cars don't look good. Woo! Look at that. Look at that edge. That's what I like to see. Free. Motorcycles are free. Look at this for a bridge. Beautiful. Dude. Nice. Motorbike. 137 metres, turn right. I'm on it, bro. I'm on it. Follow Leon. Now. Oh, I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Yeah. Oh, coming up to a roundabout in 18 kilometres. 18 kilometres? You're having a laugh. They've all gone. I'm too busy back here reading this. Oh, roundabout. Turning right. And apparently we're nearly there. It says, look, I'm near the end of my dashes, so I should be just around this corner, our destination. Wait. Ring a roses. Let's go. Down here. Whee. There we are, look, turn right, Chief. Alright, let me indicate. Cheers, bro. That was a slight detour. Oh, down there, look. Here we are. 18 meters that way. Boom. Well done. It says reserved. For me, bro. For me.